Hi, to set up timer for camera on your POCO F6, as a first step we would need to open camera. So let's do it. Now we are in a video mode and we need to switch to the photo mode by swiping left in my case. In your case you can swipe right, depending in which section you were. So here just take a look at its upper panel and you'll see this arrow which we need to tap and those features opens. So simply select timer from the list like that, and now you have those four options to disable timer at all, to set it at 3 seconds, 5 and 10 seconds. So let's select 3 seconds, for example, the smallest amount. And now you can also close this tab by pressing the arrow again. And to take a photo, you would need to press this camera shutter button and it would be taken after 3 seconds. Just like this. To disable it, just go back in this setting and here tap the timer and select this first icon. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.